Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we got another box of hockey cards. We're going to be doing a box of 2020-2021 Hockey Extended Series from Upper Deck. Alright guys, here we are, Upper Deck 2020-21 Hockey Extended Series. I believe this is the second series in the set, 8 cards per pack, 6 packs per box. I think, is there a bonus pack in here? Yep, right there it says bonus pack inside. We're looking for good young gun rookies, Lafreniere, and of course, again, your boys in the Pittsburgh Penguins. Let's go. You can see the Ortis in action. Now I'll put a graphic here up on the screen on what we can get in these cards as far as inserts, young guns, etc. All right, pack number 1. Derek Brassard, Jimmy Vesey, Patrick Laine, Nolan Footy, Young Guns card. I'll have to see how that one rates on the rookie scale for 2020-2021. I'm not too sure. Anthony Duclair, Shea Weber, Tyler Mott. These are a little hard to see with the reflective silver on them. And then we have Cal Peterson for LA. All right, well, we got one of our young guns so far. Pack number 2. All right, we got Elias Pettersson, Slater Keokuk, Ryan Strome, okay. Tyler Bertuzzi, Drew Doughty, Dazzler's card. There you go. There's a nice little hit. Nikita Zadorov, checklist. We got McDavid on here. Is that McDavid and Draisaitl? Well, that's not a bad looking checklist. That's not bad at all. And Nito Niederreiter. That pack wasn't too bad. Getting anything with McDavid's never a bad thing, and the Drew Doughty Dazzlers, not too bad at all. Okay. All right. Jonathan Huberdeau. Cody Ceci as a Penguin. Juuso Valimaki. Matt Murray, former Penguin right there. Brad Richardson. David Perron, St. Louis Blue. Evgeny Dadonov and Ryan O'Reilly, All-Star. Cody Ceci isn't my favorite Penguin. I don't even think he's a Penguin anymore. He hasn't been playing, that's for sure. But. All right. Johan Larsson. Michael Raffle. Alex Pietrangelo. Alexander Georgiev. I think he's a rookie as well. I think I've gotten cards from him not too long ago. Devin Taves. Tyler Pitlick. Who would want a name like Pitlick? Nick Bonino, former Penguin, helped win Stanley Cup with that HBK line. And another former Penguin, Patrick Hornquist, probably one of my favorite Penguins of all time to put the black and gold on. Playing for the Panthers now. Well, these seem to be getting tougher and tougher to open. Be nice to pull some rares out of here, but I haven't had too much luck with these Upper Deck. Mike Hoffman, Roman Josi, Curtis McElhinney, Cameron Hillis, Young Guns card. I think we get 2 Young Guns per box, so that's the number 2. I'll have to see how that one ranks. All right. Capo Kakkonen, Corey Perry, Phil DiGiuseppe, and Kyle Clifford, another St. Louis Blue. 2 packs left. Let's see what they got for us. Can we get a Penguin star player or another rare autograph card? I don't know if those are in here. Okay, TJ Oshie, David Pastrnak, Luke Kunin, Stefan Noesen, Thomas Hertl. That's an insert of some sort. What is this here? T56. Oh, well, that's a special edition card right there, so that's kind of neat. Giovanni Smith, Matthew Barzal, and Derek Grant. Last pack. Let's see what we can get. So far, almost been following the rule of 1 Penguin per box. All right, Seth Jones, TJ Brody, Tyson Barrie, Ilya Sorokin, rookie card, Ultimate Victory. There you go. Not too bad. UV 38 numbered. Okay. Christopher Tanev, Brady Tkachuk, Thomas Nosek, and we end with David Rittich. All right, so that's it, everybody. We'll pull out the highlight cards from the packs, and we'll go ahead and end the video. All right, everybody, so our highlights from the blaster box is going to start with this Cameron Hillis Young Guns card, Nolan Footy Young Guns card, Ilya Sorokin rookie card, Ultimate Victory, this McDavid and Draisaitl checklist, Thomas Hertl, this special edition card. It's T56. I'll have to see what it is. I'll put it up on the screen right here. And then Drew Doughty Green Dazzler, DZ120. These are really sharp looking cards. I like them. They kind of remind me of the old 90s style cards that they used to put out with the holographic designs on them. Very, very cool. Well, thank you guys for taking the time to watch today's video. Please hit that subscribe button and that like button. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think of the blaster box we got this time. And if you've had some good hits lately on your hockey cards, let me know what you got. Leave them in the comments below. Until next time, I'll see you in the next video.